Hello! Assalamalaikum everyone! Salam, dosto, kaisay ho! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Marhaba! It is my privilege to show as a Filipina wife on how to cook one of our favorite Pakistani foods, which is Chicken Karhai. There are a lot of Pakistani foods that we love, but this is the most requested one to showcase in our video recipes. My Pakistani husband introduced it to us and we fell in love with the food immediately. So no need to keep you waiting, let's start with the show! In making the chicken karhai, we need 3 to 4 tablespoon cream, 3/4 cup yogurt, 2 spring onions chopped, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon hot spice or garam masala, 1 teaspoon fenugreek for garnishing, 3 to 4 tablespoon oil, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 pieces green chilies which is blended, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 inch ginger, julian cut or as preferred, 2 to 3 green or red chilies as preferred, 500 grams chicken chopped. Pour the oil into the pan and heat it up in medium heat. Once the oil is hot, put the chicken and fry it for a couple of minutes until the color is changed. Add the ginger garlic, then mix it with the chicken and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Keep an eye on the chicken to avoid burning it. Add the blended green chilies and salt to taste. Mix it for a minute. Pour the yogurt and mix it with the chicken. Add the cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper, and mix everything. Cover with lid and let the chicken cook on low heat for 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken is done. Once the chicken is done, add the cream, spring onion, and mix it. Add 2 sliced red chilies and garam masala. Finally, garnish it with fenugreek, ginger, remaining red chilies, and lemon. Close the lid and turn off the heat, and your chicken is ready. As you can see, the best partner for chicken karhai is freshly made paratha. We will show you on our next video on how to make paratha. Video dekne, kasyukriya, maraming salamat po sa panood na aming video. Shukran jazilan. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Please support us by liking, sharing, subscribing our Facebook channel and YouTube channel which is on the link below. We heartfully thanking our loved ones, friends, and family who supported us. I hope you enjoy our video recipe and please leave a comment for your requested recipe. Bye everyone, stay safe and share the love. Once again, Assalamalaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.